clear to middle 29.
Clear middle, Orlando, B3, go 10 out.
Clear, Colonial 29.
Okay, so I'm uploading more videos of Sunrail. This catch will be a little different. We're set up here in downtown Orlando on the A line, waiting for a very special train to come through. Before that train gets here though, we have one more Sunrail to go through.
Think about it, it's the same train scheme. Right on his butt.
Following this P312 North was a very special train, one that's been touring Florida for the last 2 days, and now it was time to head back to Jacksonville and Waycross via the A line. We wait patiently, and all the waiting paid off finally. After the shot downtown, I wanted to try a few more places, but didn't want to take a risk for the main shot that I wanted. So, we head up to Sanford and the Lake Monroe drawbridge. We get there as Amtrak 53 had passed, but I didn't get a chance to film that. So after that, Sunrail P312 came back north as he was still ahead of the office car train.
Proceed to inspection and token.
After the St. Johns River, there was no way I'd be able to catch him anywhere else on the Sanford sub north of us, so we head back south because I needed to go home, with one more stop leading us to a Sunrail at Cayley heading north. 105 is one of the better sounding horns right now, so this was actually pretty nice.